Hello and welcome to the update about Ethereum. So Ethereum has started to move up again a little bit. Started exactly when I made my last video yesterday, where I told you that we could be at a reversal and turning point, because we hit various targets and support levels. So we take a look at that in this video. Overall, the assumption is still that this here was a wave 1, then a wave 2 to the downside, and we are now in this wave 3 to the upside. That could take us to around $3,000. And the wave 3 itself consists of 5 subwaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this wave 1 could be finished, but my primary expectation is that we still see at least one more wave to the upside. It could be finished. We can actually count 5 waves as complete to the upside. We would have to change the internals a little bit, but it's an absolute valid Elliott wave count if we count 5 waves complete from here. Showed you that in the last video. So should we really go below the key support, which is 1460, and get into this other yellow area, which is already the wave 2 support area, which is between 1430 and $1,300, roughly, then I would have to say, wave 1 top was already in, and you know that I'm waiting to buy back into wave 2. After buying here in the 1200 area already, So currently, this is all going, at the moment, going according to plan. We are holding support here. The yellow area is holding. Again, primary expectation would be to see one more leg up. Yesterday, I made the video here after the, let's call it the dump after the Fed interest rate decision. Well, not really after that, because actually first, the market started to rally a little bit and it looked like we could have a breakout already. But then when we saw Jerome hit the stage, that's when it came down, and saw a bit of a move into the other direction. Typically, again, a textbook example, what normally happens during such, let's call them fundamental events. The market takes a few highs out, it takes a few lows out, but it doesn't really change the overall trend. As you can see here, it just carried on in the channel. So no breakout, nothing. But we came to the support level of the channel again. We never really broke it. We went below it a few times, but we didn't even close an hourly candle below the channel. So in the last video, I told you that this could be a turning point. Now it's too early to confirm that, but it is something that can be, that is likely, or at least not too unlikely, because we have hit various targets. So in this wave 4, we've hit the perfect target for a wave 4. Showed you that in the video yesterday. And these are always possible entry points, right? I actually mentioned that yesterday. Now, again, this doesn't need to work out, but it is one way you can set the stop loss extremely, extremely tight and a low risk, high reward setup. So here, yesterday I made you aware that we've hit the 38.2% fib retracement, which if you've been following these videos, is always an ideal target for a wave 4. Then we calculated the wave 4 target in another way, and another way of doing this is if you have the subdivisions here, wave W, X, and Y, took the length of the wave W, we added it here to the high of the wave X, and I showed you that we've reached the 1-to-1 ratio at 1508 roughly. So big confluence here. We had the 38.2% fib retracement. We had the 1-to-1 ratio of waves W and Y, and we've hit the support level of the channel. And on the 1 hour chart yesterday, we were oversold. All the things I told you, and I said this could be a possible reversal point. So this could be one, and we are already going in the right direction. We've even broken back above this trend line here that we also had on the chart. So that's all a good sign. At the moment, it's a bit too early to confirm that. What I would like the market to do now is in any retracement to hold the 78.6% retrace of this move, and that would be the 1515 level. Then it would be a 1-2 setup and could hint at a larger breakout to the upside. At the moment, I would assume the wave 4 is already in, unless we break the 1515 level. Why would I assume it? Well, I would assume it because we came down to the 50% fib retracement. We saw the 1-to-1 ratio of the W and Y waves met, and we turned around at the support level of the channel, and we can count W and WXY complete. So I would assume at the moment the low is in. Of course, this doesn't mean it has to be in, but we need to make assumptions in trading and technical analysis. So at the moment, until this is not the case anymore, and until, well, we break the 1515 level, which would be a warning sign, I assume the wave 4 is in and we're moving higher in wave 5. Any further upside, of course, would hint and give a further confirmation that this move down was complete, and the breakout signal would be a move above the channel high, or channel resistance. That would be around 1580, and then we would have to take the wave X out. That's at 1620, and the final confirmation will be obtained as soon as we take 1664 out. I can also now give you a target for the fifth wave, because I assume now that the wave 4 is finished. So we calculate a target, we take the length of the wave 1, and we add it to the beginning of the fifth wave, and the first target would be 1650. That is not a good target because we wouldn't end above wave 3 high, so we scrap that, and the next target would be 1740. That's the 1.618 fib extension. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.